How to use high-pass and low-pass filters in WavePad. Open your audio file in WavePad, then go to the Edit tab and click the Cleanup button drop-down. Choose either the high-pass filter or the low-pass filter. Continue watching for additional details on using the high-pass and low-pass filters. High-pass and low-pass filters are used to remove unwanted frequencies and improve overall sound quality. The high-pass filter is found on the Edit tab in the Cleanup button drop-down. Use the high-pass filter to remove low frequencies below a selected cutoff. This helps reduce rumble, handling noise, and muddiness. For voice recordings, a common starting point is around 80 to 120 Hz, though higher settings like 200 to 250 Hz can further enhance clarity depending on the recording. The low-pass filter is also found in the Cleanup button drop-down. Use the low-pass filter to remove high frequencies above a selected cutoff. This is useful for reducing hiss or harsh high-end noise, though setting it too low can make audio sound dull or muffled. Adjust the frequency carefully to maintain a natural sound. After selecting a filter, adjust the frequency slider or choose a preset from the drop-down. When in doubt, use subtle adjustments. Small changes usually sound more natural than aggressive filtering. For either filter, you can save your own preset by setting your preferred frequency, selecting Save Preset, entering a name, and clicking Save. To delete a custom preset, select it from the drop-down, then open the drop-down again and choose Delete Preset. Use the preview controls to hear the effect before applying it. When you're satisfied, click Apply to confirm the changes. For more WavePad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.